A good day, everyone. Thank you for taking time to be here today. My name is Jonabi Abisilia from BSBA Management Batch 2 ETIA program, and I'm excited to share with you my PowerPoint presentation about my hometown, Bulinaw, Pangasinan. Bulinaw, a glimpse it's into culture and communication. Bulinaw, Pangasinan, a coastal gem. Geographical overview. Bulinaw is a coastal municipality located in a northern part of Pangasinan Province, Philippines. It's known for its beautiful beaches, rich in marine life, and historical significance. The town is situated on cape that juts out into the West Philippine Sea, offering stunning coastal views. Significance: natural beauty. Bulinaw boasts pristine beaches, crystal clear water, and lush greenery. Patar Beach is a particular renowned for the powdery white sand and the coconut trees. Marine biodiversity. The town is the home of diverse marine ecosystem, including coral reefs, mangroves, and various marine species. This make it a popular destination for snorkeling, diving, and fishing. Cultural heritage tradition fishing communities. A coastal town fishing plays a significant role in Bulinaw culture. The people have developed intricate fishing techniques and tradition passed down through generations. Bulinaw religious practices. Bulinaw is predominantly Catholic, but it also has a vibrant indigenous faith tradition. This blend of religious belief are reflected in town festival rituals. Local crops. Bulinaw is known for its skilled artisans who produce intricate handicrafts like shell craft, mug making, dried fish, and salt making. These crafts showcase the creativity of the ingenuity of the local. Cultural overview. Its massive fishing industry inspired the creation of the Mangungunan Festival, which translates to the Fishermen's Festival, attracting 1,000 of tourists annually. Bulinaw dubbed the Boracay of Pangasinan due its powdery white sand, beaches, and coconut trees planted along the coast of the Pater Beach. Traditional practices and belief. Animism, a belief in its spirit and supernatural forces, permeates many aspects of Bulinaw culture. Ancestral spirits are revered and believed to influence daily life. The term in Bulinaw of this belief in this called is Mananantigwa. Rituals and ceremonies. A variety of rituals and ceremonies are practiced, including those related to the birth, marriage, death, and harvest. These are often involved offering prayers and traditional dances. Bulino delicacies. Binungay. It's made from sticky rice and soaked in a coconut extract, the seafood and vegetable, and also the barangan dried fish. The dialect of Bulinaw, Maabig Abuklas, means in Bulinaw, good morning. Another dialect in Bulinaw is Mariga Ako. Mariga Ako means in Bulinaw is I'm happy. Another one is Kawanan Kata. In English word, Kawanan Kata means I love you. Mabista ka means in Tagalog words, you are beautiful. These are the tourist spots found in Bulinaw, Pangasinan, the Pater Beach, Bulinaw Falls, and Balingasay River. Let me show you my short video about Bulinaw, Pangasinan.
Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, oh, tara na kanta na Pilipinas. Tara na Pilipinas, kanta na Pilipinas. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, oh, tara na kanta na Pilipinas. Saan man dako, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, dinig mo ay sadyang kahanga-hanga. Awit mo ay salamin ng iyong buhay, aawitin ng buong bansa. Ang galing mo, kapatid, kailanman buong bansa ngayon ay kakanta. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, oh, tara na kanta na Pilipinas. Pagpalaki, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, sadyang lahat ay iyong pinapahanga. Makikinig sa kwento ng iyong buhay at saksi ang buong bansa. Ang galing mo, kapatid, kailanman buong bansa ngayon ay kakanta. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, oh, tara na kanta na Pilipinas.
Di naman talaga maitatanggi, galing mo Pilipino kapatid. Tinig mo ay laging mananaig, saan man mapunta, saan mang sulok ng daigdig. Bumibirit, tinig mong malupit. Humihirit, sige papet na pet. Bumibirit, kay lupet. Humihirit,
Okay. This is the end of my PowerPoint representation. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.